Hello mga auntie ko. Andito tayo sa badminton. Ang tawag ata dito. Ito guys. Diyan tayo. Yan, sige. Magtatalo yun. Buisit. Yan be. Kuha. Aba. Ano? Putya. 9 yung home, 1 pa lang kami. Hindi ba to magaling? Oy, baka narinig ba yun? Lintik na yun. Joke lang. Ano ba? Oh my god. Wala na, panalo na. Panalo na sila. Panalo na. Ito. Unahan na ako. Galing ah, lumulupad ako. Ting. 5 na kami mga ante. Yes. 6. Dalian mo. Ang galing sa badminton. Ay, hala. Gumamit din siya. Kala nyo ah. Ganun. Uy, 90. Go. Talunin yan. Deserve. A. Ayun na. Ground slam. Ito na tayo guys. Go, talunin mo yan.
Mr. President, I have no objection to the motion of Senator Villarreal.
Ay, wala na. 7 na sila, 8 pa rin kami. 8, sorry guys, kung ano, ng maingay.
There is a pending motion. Yan yung patungan ng lesser motion.
Kala nila.
Senator Villarreal, unless he wants to
Buisit.
With Senator Tia Cayetano, is it on the same topic or a different topic?
It's a continuation of the removal of the person. So I can wait.
Go. Talunin natin to.
Senator Estrada, may I ask if you can withdraw because I think mas urgent na umalis na muna yung mga NBI. Then we can have a short huddle with the Sergeant at Arms whether we will ask him to report here officially.
Mr. President,
Talunin na yan.
sana bago siya talisin, i-identify mo natin yung mga nagharap sa atin at i-increase natin. Kaya natin ang kaso.
Deserve.
Ano tayo tinkwil ito?
Magmamatch na to guys. Sorry kung maingay kasi.
Let me clarify, Senator Bato, that's my point a while ago.
Wala, ang bilis niya.
Papalisin yung mga walang kilalaman sa pag-assault sa'yo. And that is not limited to those who threw punches or wrestled you. Meaning, if they are in conspiracy together in trying to prevent you from attending the
I am
session,
sure Trillanes is involved, Mr. President.
then
Deserve. Magmamatch na guys.
is to consult with the league
Magmamatch.
to bring them for
Mga
influence.
ante ko
But
magmatch.
before that, I will follow the suggestion of Senator Soto. Can we first
Uy! O diba?
withdraw muna?
Uy! Mamatch na
Anyone
guys.
who's not involved. We have to determine who is
Ayan
involved
na,
and who is not
ayan
involved.
na,
Obviously, I
ayan
think that's
na.
right obvious, but
Tapos
to be
hindi
clear
kami
with the
matalo dito.
instructions of the Senate President, everybody here should be dealt with because they are here for a reason. We need to hear from them. They should
Ayan na,
give their
guys.
testimony kung bakit sila nandito, sino ang nagpapunta sa kanila dito,
Laro ko
ano
din
ang
kayo.
instructions sa kanila, kahit
For
kumain naman
sure.
sila dito, we want to know why are they here.
Sorry
So
kung...
just to be clear, I'm pretty sure that's what the Senate President meant, but perhaps
Kapag talo kami dito,
very carefully
magkakanta ako
about
ng
consent.
Tourette.
Yung identification na, yung social identification na, baka may missing in action dyan. We just want to be clear that everyone who had, who even witnessed, even if they were just a witness, we would want to
Hindi
have
ako
access to that.
Yes! Panalo kami. Hindi kami talo. Hindi ako magkakanta ng
Can
Tourette.
hold indirect or indirect
A.
contempt.
Eh.
Uh,
Eh. So, yun lang guys. Mag-subscribe kayo.
may